It's perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. Start by peeling the apples and dicing them small. Over low to medium heat in a pot add the apple, brown sugar, cinnamon, corn flour and water. Stir continuously for 4 to 5 minutes. Once thickened, remove from the heat and allow it to cool slightly. In a large bowl, cream the butter and brown sugar together until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well until fully incorporated. Next, add the vanilla extract and applesauce and mix well. Once combined, set it aside. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon and salt until well combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with Greek yogurt, mixing gently. Begin and end with the dry ingredients for a smooth batter. Mix until just combined, stopping as soon as everything comes together. Do not overmix. Spread half of the cake batter evenly into the bottom of the prepared baking tray, smoothing the surface. Spoon the cooled apple filling evenly over the batter, spreading it gently across the surface. Carefully dollop the remaining cake batter over the apple layer and gently spread it to cover evenly. In a small bowl, mix the brown sugar and cinnamon until well combined for the topping. Sprinkle the mixture evenly over the top of the cake, covering the surface completely. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 50 minutes until golden and set. Once baked, remove from the oven and allow it to cool. For the glaze, mix the icing sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth and drizzle ready. Drizzle the glaze evenly over the top of the cake and allow it to set before slicing and serving. Once the glaze is fully set, slice the cake and arrange it on a serving dish. Garnish with fresh mint leaves, add a scoop of ice cream, and serve alongside tea or coffee. This cake is unbelievably soft, perfectly spiced, and tastes like pure comfort in every bite. Thank you for baking along with us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy your apple cinnamon cake and happy cooking.